All right, check it out. This is the Braun Easy Prep. All right, this is a cool little food processor, and I was actually pleasantly surprised by this. In the box, you get 2 different blades for your chopper. One is plastic, one is metal. This is the metal one, and I've got installed the plastic one. So I'm assuming you can use this for softer fruits and things like that. The sharper one, obviously, for your onions and things of that nature. It also comes with 2 plates for shredding and slicing and all that kind of stuff. Also comes with a spatula and little tool to get in and out of the carafe here. Again, this is let's see what size cup this is. I think it's 8 cups. Yeah, 8 cups. And for an 8 cup unit, this thing is pretty cool. Pretty nifty. The plastic on this is a lot thicker, a lot heavier duty than the plastic on a lot of other models. But it's also really light. I will say this whole unit is really light. And one of the things that I like about it is the fact that it's got suction cups on the feet. That's awesome. I don't know too many that have that. They rely on their weight to stay on the countertop. This one is so light, they put suction cups on there, and it's on there. It's not sliding anywhere. All right. So what that means is you can put your food in here and give it a go, and you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it sliding around on the table and falling off, which I have actually had happen before with another device. We won't get into that, but it was a bread machine, and it was a disaster, literally. So anyway, you got your pulse, you got your setting 1, 2, and stop. That's all there is to a food processor. So just for the sound test, I'm not going to put any food in here, just so you can hear the motor itself. So this is pulse. This is first setting, so setting number 1. All right, and setting number 2. All right, so it's average noise level. Any food processor is going to be this way, just by the design. All right, so food goes in, press down, get your stuff going, you're good to go. This thing is actually really nice. It's compact. I would say this is probably 15 inches tall from countertop to the top. I don't have a tape measure at the moment, but you can look up the specs if you want to. What else can I say about this thing? It's pretty awesome. It's made in Germany, or designed in Germany, I should say. I know Braun is a decent brand. I've never used them in the kitchen. I've always used them for other things. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty simple. Now I will tell you, the trick to this, I was pressing these buttons and they weren't going. I was like, oh my goodness, did I get a broken one? There's this right here, there's a safety latch here, and there's a safety latch in here. So if the lid's not on tight, it's not gonna operate. And if this isn't clicked in, it's not gonna operate. So you do have to get it kind of just right for it to click in, and that's a safety feature. But once it's on, it's on there good, nice and solid. And then and you see what I did? It's suction cups, and I didn't even have to, it didn't even move when I undid this. That's how good those little suction feet are. All right, and then it just pops right off. Very nice. It's got the little gear riser. It's got the little grooves on here that just fit right in. Same thing here for your blades or your attachments. All right, very cool. I like it. So if you're in the market for a food processor, plugs right in, this is probably a good one to look at. All right, I will post a link in the description if I can find one. check it out.